Hey everybody, Tracy Brown here. Good morning, your somatic nutrition therapist and attuned eating and body image specialist. So I just want to give a quick little reminder and to get you ready. Is I've noticed that a lot of the online coaches and different nutrition people, nutritionists, dietitians, whatever, I'm starting to see some of these kind of prepare for the holidays or like to prevent holiday weight gain, all that kind of stuff. I'm starting to see people launching their groups, their programs, their whatevers to try to help you not eat food, essentially, to watch yourself and to control yourself and all that. So this is just a little reminder. You are your own food expert. If you don't feel like you're the expert yet, you're learning. And so what you need to do is always rely back on your stability and rely back on your support and recognize that anything you see out there that seems like it's going to be your rescuer or your savior, check the agenda. I just want to just give a quick update. I'm going to talk more about this week. But the truth is, you have full permission to eat whatever you need to eat. Your job is to listen and to honor your body. So you might need more food, you might need different food, you might need more snacks, you might need to go to the grocery store more often, you might need to, when people are talking about what they're not going to eat or they're not going to eat this season, you not be part of that small talk, changing the subject. I just want you to be ready because I see it already happening and it's coming that everybody's going to be talking about like holiday eating, what they aren't going to eat, feeling guilty about it, rationalizing it around you. And so just take a step back, recognize, oh, I've been there, done that. I've done all that. And, whether it made me thin or not, it certainly didn't necessarily make me happier. So it didn't really do what it always promised. And so this holiday season, you can see the ads roll by, you can see the groups being announced or whatever, and you can just say, gosh, I'm so glad I'm learning to be more embodied with my eating and that I can be present this holiday season. So just a quick little encouragement and a buffeting for you this morning of like, you're going to see a lot of stuff and it's going to try to get you to shake your new or your old, getting solid with more inner-directed eating and trusting yourself. So, and I'll be talking about this more, so you're not alone. Reach out to me and to the different groups. So if you're in the intuitive eating support group, great. We're going to talk to you about like, nope, don't go there. If you're in my attuned eating for attuned living group, we'll be really specific about your needs and what would best support you. So I think that's it. And I just want to announce real quick that in my Attuned Eating for Attuned Living group, our first group meeting of the season is going to be next week, November 7th. So if you're interested in that, you can message me. And there's not going to be a strict theme that we're going to discuss in the meeting, but just how the course is, the course is going for you, what you need more help with, what you understand, what is going great for you. Basically just to allow yourself a space to be seen and heard. And so that's starting next week if you're not already in it. If you are, I'm excited to see you and hear how things are going for you. So I think that's it for today, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye.